Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Well, as you've seen in the beginning of the video, we got a couple more cases in. This time for the Moto Z2 Force, the Tudia Merge, the Tudia TAMM. Special thank you to Tudia for sending me these cases to review here on my Project 13 for all of you. And as always, the links will be down below in the description. And when you hit those links, you'll go right over to Amazon. First case, we're going to be looking at the Tudia carbon fiber design lightweight TAMM TPU bumper shock absorption cover for the Motorola Moto Z Force second generation Moto Z2 Force Droid Edition Black. You have three color choices: black, gray, and navy blue. $10.99. And if you scroll down, you're going to read a lot more information right down here. So I would encourage you to do that. And the next case we're going to be looking at is the Moto Z2 Force Tudia Slim Fit Heavy Duty Merge. Extreme protection, rugged but slim dual layer case for the Motorola Z Force, second generation Moto Z2 Force Droid Edition Metallic Slate. You got four choices here: matte black, metallic slate, mint, and rose gold. I really am digging that mint. I have the metallic slate. That's one beautiful looking device. But more importantly than that, as far as the Merge, for those of you who work in a tough and rough environment, or you just cannot hang on to your device, consider this. The dual layer protection is really going to give you that extra added security when it comes to protecting your Moto Z2 Force. And I just love that look. It's got a grip to this back, polycarbonate back here. Very nice grip. All the buttons are going to be covered up, as well as the TAMM. Again, this is slim and it's flexible TPU, but it's really durable. It just feels really good. Love that carbon fiber look on the back. That allows that flexibility. Very, very nice. Let's look at the TAMM with the Moto Z2 Force first here. Go ahead and slip that on. The Tudia brand name. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. The dual camera setup on the back there. There's the cutout. And what I like about this area here is that the ring around the camera is protruding because we have a protruding camera as well. So this is going to be able, this area is going to be able to protect that camera area when you set your device down like that. The case itself also has a lip all the way around. So if you're setting your device down on a table or semi-rough surface, I would not suggest you set it down on a really, really rough surface. Give that a nice wipe down. That looks great. Power button. Nice and responsive. We're going to go ahead and turn on the device. Make sure the volume rocker is working the way it should. Yes, nice and responsive. Really, really nice. Turn the device off. Again, the camera area looking great, nice and protected. Everything really protected well on this device. Now, what I want to point out is that I have a tempered glass screen protector from Spigen on here. And as you can see, there is no lifting of that tempered glass screen protector from the Tudia case. So the Tudia case working really well with the Spigen protector. And that's great news because not all the time do two separate companies work well together when it comes to screen protectors and cases. Okay, I've not had a lot of issues in that area with a lot of products that I receive, but here you can see the Spigen case working great with the Tudia TAMM. There's a little bit of gap there, which leaves just enough room for the screen protector to do its job and the Tudia case to do its job in protecting this beautiful, sexy device. Look at that. Let's go ahead and take a couple pictures. Make sure there is no shadowing going on whatsoever. And what we're looking at is around the edges of the picture and everything looking great. Everything looking awesome. Now let's look at the Tudia Merge. A two-piecer here, dual layer, polycarbonate back. Got this nice TPU, flexible inner part of the case that's going to go onto the Moto Z2 Force first. Okay, and what we're going to look for here as well is to make sure that this case works great with the tempered glass screen protector. And you have this raised area as well right here to just give it enough protection over that protruding camera, volume rocker, power button. Let's turn on the device, check out the volume rocker here. And this case is going to give you that extra added protection. Totally digging that. You do have to press a little harder on this one, but that's okay. Everything working great. So let's go ahead and turn off the device. Put on the polycarbonate back. Nice textured back. Has a nice grip to it. Remember, on the TAMM, the grip is going to be on your sides. Okay. A little bit slippery here, but very nice and textured here to be able to grip your device, whether you're taking it out of purse or out of your pocket. On the Merge, the polycarbonate back is very textured, so it feels really great. There's a nice stick to it, and I'm totally digging that. So let's look and make sure that there's no lifting of the screen protector, and everything working great there as well. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Nice and flush right here. Great protection. Again, I would still be very careful in how you set your device down on the type of surfaces that you're setting your devices down. Not everything is going to be 100% protected. These cases are going to do their job, but you also have to do your part. That's just part of the package deal. I'm one of those people that utilize my cases to the fullest, and I do my part in protecting my devices in the decisions that I make and how I use them as well. There's the Tudia brand name right there, nice and sexy. Got this shiny little trim right here. There's the cutout for the mic up towards the bottom. There's the cutout up top for the mic, secondary mic. And you have your USB Type-C charging port area right there. Everything looking great. Let's take a couple pictures. Bam. And bam. Okay. Again, everything looking good. Yes, everything looking great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we can plug in a USB Type-C charging cable without any issues, because there's a little bit of depth there. As you can see, it is charging. Okay, so we'll turn the Moto Z2 Force off and you'll see the device turn on, and it is charging. Very, very nice. And we'll check out the TAMM as well. Again, hit those links. Go over and order yourself one, or bring one in as a gift during the holidays for that special someone that has this device that needs that protection. Okay. Great holiday gift from Tudia, the Tudia Merge and the Tudia TAMM. Yes. Okay. A little bit of glare there, but it is charging. Very nice. We'll turn that off again and plug it in, and it is charging. There you go, charging. All right, everybody. Can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Again, thank you, Tudia, for sending these cases over for review. Appreciate your support very much. The TAMM, the Merge. Peace. I'm out. God bless. Happy holidays.